Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into beauty products, exploring everything you need to know before making your next purchase. Today, we're checking out the 13x6 Body Wave Lace Front Wig, crafted from 100% human hair. This wig promises to provide a natural, healthy look with a touch of luxury. Let's break it down to see if it lives up to the hype. This wig is made from unprocessed human hair, sourced directly from young donors. It's touted to be soft, natural, and vibrant with no strange smell. A good start for those who are sensitive to scents. The 13x6 lace area supports a middle, free, or side part, giving you the freedom to customize your look. The lace itself is HD, thin, and designed with small knots that are bleached to ensure it blends seamlessly with all skin tones. The natural black color of the hair allows for easy dyeing, should you wish to go for a darker shade. With a 180 density, it promises a full and thick look with a soft, bouncy texture. The cap size is adjustable, fitting most head sizes comfortably. I've spent a few days testing this wig to see how it holds up in real-life situations. Right off the bat, I noticed the high-density hair gives a voluminous look that's still lightweight enough to wear throughout the day without feeling heavy. The 13x6 lace area is fantastic for flexibility. It allows for multiple styling options, like a sleek middle part or soft side waves. I opted for a middle part, and I was impressed with how well the knots blended, making the lace virtually invisible. No harsh lines, no obvious lace, just pure, natural-looking hair. The application process was easy enough. If you've used lace front wigs before, you'll appreciate the breathable lace material that's not only comfortable, but durable as well. I wore this wig in various conditions, from an all-day outing to a more relaxed evening, and the wig stayed in place. I didn't experience any shedding, and the body wave texture held its shape, even after some light styling. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the wig's versatility is fantastic. The natural black color gives you a lot of styling freedom, and the 180 density hair provides a rich, thick look that's true to its weight. The lace, with its bleached knots, does a great job of mimicking a real scalp, and the adjustable cap size makes it comfortable for most people to wear. It's definitely a wig that stands out in terms of comfort and appearance. However, while the density adds thickness, it might be a bit much for those who prefer a lighter look or feel. If you're looking for something more natural and lightweight, this wig may not be for you. Additionally, if you're new to lace front wigs, it may take a little time to get the application just right, as the lace requires some finesse. But once you get it down, it's a game changer. Is it worth the price? In my opinion, yes. The quality of the hair and lace, combined with the durability and styling options, make this wig a solid investment. However, if you're on a tighter budget or prefer something more straightforward, there are more affordable options out there, though they might not offer the same level of detail and craftsmanship. In terms of comparisons, this wig stands out thanks to its high-density hair, customizable cap size, and HD lace. While other wigs in this price range might offer similar hair quality, the lace and density of this product are a significant plus. It holds its own against other premium wigs, particularly for those who want a fuller, thicker look without compromising comfort. The build quality is solid, with the wig feeling secure throughout the day. The lace is delicate, so be mindful when handling it, but it's designed to last with proper care. There's no indication of significant wear after a few days of use, which bodes well for its longevity. As for customer service, I haven't had any direct interaction with the brand, but from what I've gathered, they're responsive to customer inquiries. They stand by their products, and reviews show a consistent commitment to customer satisfaction. Now, if you're looking for an alternative, there are a few other options in the market that could give you a similar look. Some brands offer lace front wigs at lower prices, but keep in mind that you may sacrifice the HD lace and density for a more budget-friendly option. It's a balancing act between quality and cost. So, would I recommend the 13x6 Body Wave Lace Front Wig? If you're seeking a versatile, natural-looking wig with full density and customizable styling options, then absolutely. It's perfect for those who are experienced with lace front wigs and want something that feels luxurious and durable. If you prefer something lighter or are just starting with lace fronts, this might feel a little too heavy for you. If this review was helpful to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on honest reviews like this one. Your support helps us keep creating content that you can trust. Thanks for watching. If you've tried this wig, drop a comment below and share your experience with us. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.